How to see Street View in Google Maps in Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how to see up the Street View in Google Maps in Android. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video and find how we can do that. For that, if you don't have the Google Maps application yet, you can just go ahead and download it. And once that is done, go ahead and open the app. And once you're here, what you need to do is you'll be finding the map on your screen. So in order to view the street view, you can just go ahead and search for the location in the top in the search bar. Just go ahead and type in your location. And once you have typed in your location, you will be finding a picture right of your location name, this one right here. So in order to view the street view, you just need to go ahead and tap on that picture. And when you tap on it, you'll be finding the street view of that particular location. So that is it. That is how you find out the street view and see the street view in Google Maps in Android by following up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, just make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And we will see you on the next one.